Do I look stupid with this lipstick? I'm like so not used to doing like berries or corals. So I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a fucking clown. Do I look like a clown? Don't let me know. Don't let me know. Hey Corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Alright, so before we get started, let's talk about the song. Okay, I'm gonna have to be real honest with y'all. I'm still listening to Un Verano Sin Ti by Bad Bunny. Like, I can't stop. It's on repeat. But I already highlighted that. I need to give room, give space to something else. And honestly, the only other thing I've been listening to other than Bad Bunny, every now and then, I haven't gone through the entire album. Don't come at me! But I gotta give it up to Mr. Kendrick Lamar for his most recent album, Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers. That's a work of art. That's some deep shit. That's some introspection. That's some emotional deconstruction, and just woo, what an album. I still haven't processed the whole thing because it's a bit heavy for me, but I'm gonna highlight the song N95. Also, he's doing an incredible job at his music videos. If you do not like Mr. Kendrick Lamar, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. I don't know. It must suck to have bad taste.
Boom. Roasted.
Sorry. Okay, let's carry on. Alright, so as you saw by the title of today's video, today we're doing a little bit of experimenting. So if you've been following me for a little bit, you might know that I'm a big fan of brush styling. Brush styling is the way. I have been teaching you how to brush style since my very first curly YouTube video ever. I'm a big advocate for it. And recently, one of my very lovely subscribers commented on one of my videos telling me to try a new type of brush styling, which is brush styling with a round brush. Yeah, the brush that you use to blow dry your hair. Yeah. She referenced this TikTok video by this lovely, cute girl that I can't seem to find on TikTok anymore. I'll put on the screen what her TikTok handle used to be, but I can't find her TikTok. If she changed her name and you know who that is, let me know, because I'm trying to find her, but I can't find her. But anyways, that is the video. She is brush styling while using this type of brush, and I wanted to give it a chance because I was like, that's different. I see what you're doing. I see how that might work, but I also see how it might not work. So this is gonna be my first time doing it all over my hair. So sit tight, go grab a snack, I don't know, or just put me in the background while you're doing dishes. I don't know, sister, whatever you do. So let's get started. Hello, it's me. Okay, hey, so my hair is already washed. I need to re-wet it. It's getting all pretty motherfucking dry, but this is the brush that we're gonna be using today. Look at her. Let's take a tour of this brush. It's a Boar and Nylon bristle brush, very much the same as the brush that I usually use to style my hair. The only difference is the shape. This is round and this is flat. I must say though that even though they both have Nylon and Boar bristles, the bristles on this brush feel stiffer. Or is it because it's brand new, so I haven't used it that much, and I've been using this one for so long that the bristles have gotten softer? I guess we'll never know. The other important thing about this brush, the handle. The handle is pointed and it needs to have a material that won't tug on your hair. And the brand of this brush is Lado. I got this shit at a beauty supply store. I'm not saying that this is the brush you should get because I don't even know if this is worth it. So before doing so, I need to re-wet my hair and I need to apply my stylers. The stylers for today will be, yep, a classic in my channel. This is the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Style Balm, my absolute my absolute favorite defining cream of all time. And for gel, I'm gonna be using another favorite, another classic, another OG in this channel, the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna divide my hair in sections and I will be right back. I'm back. Am I Princess Amidala? Product has been applied absolutely everywhere, love. We divided our hair in 4 separate sections. These are my 2 bottom layers and my top layers are up here. Usually, this is the brush that I use for brush styling. It's just a paddle brush that has Boar bristles and Nylon bristles. It's my favorite way of doing it. This type of brush just adds the perfect amount of tension to my hair so that the clumps just bounce back very well. So anyways, let me give you an example of what brush styling with this paddle brush looks like. like. This is my favorite way of doing it. I like grabbing a section of hair, put the brush securely in there, grab this finger to kind of add tension right there, and just pass it through. And do this kind of like curving motion, and then let it go. Give it a little shake, give it a tiny bit of a scrunch, and there you go. That clump is now very much together, very much defined, very much ready to be bouncy once it's dry. Why am I doing this stupid fucking accent? I don't know. There's also another way of doing it, which is brushing and then halfway through, start like rolling your hair like this on the handle, and then gently doing this motion. And look, it's even now more defined, it's even more clumped together. With this brush, it's a little bit different, because with this brush, I can't really do this type of motion, just like ribbon brush styling, because of its shape. So with this one, it's almost mandatory for me to do the whole coiling it around the handle. So we're gonna now do it. The girl in the video did it so effortlessly. Insert the clip, Nemesis. Look how easy it is for her. Like, she just like, whoo, and then it's not gonna be that easy for me, because first of all, look how long my fucking hair is now. Her hair is very short. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So she seemed to put the brush behind the hair section, and immediately, I don't know how the fuck she did this. Immediately she would just start coiling it around the handle, but I can't do it. I have to bring it all the way to the end and then do the coiling on the handle. I think it's because my brush applies more tension than whatever brush she's fucking using. But all right, I'm just gonna coil my hair all in there. And then before letting go, I'm gonna keep twisting so that it twists all the way up to the root. Oh, I mean, that's kind of cute, isn't it? Let's do a side to side comparison between the curl that this brush gave me and the curl that this brush gives. Hold on. All right, there it is. It's different. It's different. It's definitely different. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? It's a different vibe. It's like this one looks more ringlety. Yeah, this one looks more like a ringlet, and this one looks more like a swirl. Okay, let's keep doing it. Once again, grabbing the brush, putting it behind the clump, brushing it all the way. Fuck, this one really does be pulling my hair. Brushing it all the way out, almost to the end, and then coiling it around the handle. And then I'm gonna start twisting it like that. I think this action of like twisting like this is what gives it this specific type of like look. Right, all right. Jesus Christ, my hair is so fucking long. This is gonna take me forever. All right, and then we have this. Oh, this is so pretty. I think I get it. I think I get it. I get why she did that. Look at that. Look at that. Cute. Very cute. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing both of these sections and I'll be right back. Because God, this is gonna take me forever. BRB. Okay, wait. I haven't done this section, but I am done with this one, and I want to show you. I want to show you how it looks. So this is what the section looks like. It is very cute, very cute. I'm gonna spray it with my beloved hold spray from Aussie. This one right here, just to add a little bit of hold to this curl, because the curls are very coily, very tight, and like I have a feeling they might like fall out of shape. So I'm just gonna add this tiny bit. Oh, I need to say something else about this type of brush styling. So something a little bit annoying about it is that, I mean, I don't know if it maybe is because of the specific brush I bought, but I feel like I can't do like big clumps. I feel like I have to do very small clumps at a time in order for them to actually look good while using this. Because for example, if I use this brush, I know I can grab small clumps like this, or I can even add more hair and brush big clumps through. Look, look, look. This is a pretty big clump, and I can just brush it all together and it's gonna be fine, you know? It's gonna do the thing that it has to do. But with this brush, the more hair I grabbed, I feel like the more difficult it is for me to like actually roll it all the way through, you know? Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, this type of brush styling might be better for people with less dense hair and short hair. But for longer, more dense hair, I feel like this is a pain in the ass. Like I can't grab a clump this big. I have to divide it in half, and then I can go ahead and do the thing. The more I do it though, the more I get used to it. Like now I'm getting used to the motion and it's getting easier to do. But damn, the result is cute though. All right, I'll be back when this is all done. Okay, I'm back. I did it. We finished that one section. Oh my God, but it looks so pretty. Look at them. Okay, let's move to one of these front sections. Okay. So here, I feel like it gets a little tricky because this is where I want the volume, you know? And unfortunately, this type of brush styling doesn't guarantee lots of volume. It mostly guarantees definition. So depending on how it looks on this top section will determine if I think this is worth it or not. All right, this is what it looks like without any of the brush styling. Let me see if I can do like a fun transition. Like if I do this, did it work? Did it work? Was it seamless and like amazing and like the best transition you've ever seen on a YouTube video? Okay, I'm done with this section and this is what it looks like. Not gonna lie, bestie, if this wash day turns out like shit after me putting in this much effort, I'm gonna be very upset and I'm gonna sue the TikTok creator that put me onto this. I don't know how I'm gonna find her, but I will. Lord, help. This is the last section, Nemesis. You can do this. You can do this. Ah! Oh my God, I am seriously now considering just cutting my hair super short right now. Not only will I be very upset if this turns out like shit, I will be obligated to give you financial compensation for sitting through this. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. I like it. I like this one. I know I should brush these two clumps separately because they're clearly like two different clumps, but I'm tired and my arms hurt, so I'm gonna do it together. Ay, coño. What if I'm doing this all wrong and I'm just out here? Ow! I thought it got tangled in the brush and I was gonna start crying. Oh, what the fuck is that? Okay, let's redo that one, shall we? Okay, it has ended. It has ended. This section has finally ended. Lord, that was excruciating. Took very long and I did not enjoy it. All right, this is what the hair looks like fully styled. I am going to go diffuse, dry my hair. If I come back and my hair looks like shit, feel free to unsubscribe because I will be deleting my YouTube channel. So, yep. BRB. And we're back. I know it looks weird. Hold on. Don't judge it because I haven't scrunched out the crunch. That's why it looks a little questionable. But I wanted you to see it before scrunching out the crunch because look at how ringlety it still is. So now I'm just gonna go scrunch out the crunch really quick with the Ceremonia Oil Mist con Aloe Vera. And I'll be right back. I'm also gonna shake the roots, all that good shit that you guys already know, so that's why I'm not showing it on camera. Okay, so give me a minute. No, wait a damn minute. Because why does this look so good? Forget what I said about the whole like flat root situation because honestly, my volume isn't like whoa, but it's not flat. And my curls look so pretty. It's giving. Not me shitting on this brush the entire fucking video and then getting good results. It looks very different from like what I've been doing lately with my wash days, which is more like my previous video, which if you haven't seen, yeah, that's what I did on that previous video. That's mostly what I've been doing, which is more focused on volume rather than definition. Oh, but it's so cute. Look at the little. So I take back everything I said about like this not giving me enough bounce or enough root lift because the results are very bouncy. They are very cute. Definition, I mean 10 out of motherfucking 10. I haven't had this definition in very long because I've been taking a more lazy approach to my wash day routines. I don't think this is something that I'm gonna commit to like every single wash day. Absolutely not. I can't do it. And it's getting hot. It's getting hot in New York City. This is something that I would intentionally do if I'm going for a very specific look, for a wash day, for I don't know, an event, an outing. And if you're having trouble finding this type of brush at your beauty supply store or at your drugstore, you might find this one. I don't know. And it was like $7. Very cheap, honestly, very cheap. These brushes are more expensive for some godforsaken reason. I don't know why. These are my final thoughts. The process was a pain in the motherfucking ass, especially if you have long hair. Girl, I don't know, bless you if you even try this shit. But if you have finer, less dense, short hair, this might be super cute to get this type of very ringly definition. I did like the results, but then again, process was a fucking pain in the ass. Thank you TikTok, and thank you for the girly that uploaded the video and the girly that put me on to the video. You know who you are. I'm just happy it didn't turn out like shit because I was about to spaz. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Life has been crazy and keeping up with YouTube uploads has been so fucking difficult for me lately, so I would really appreciate your support. Also, please go follow me on Instagram at nemesismarie06. I am way more consistent there, and on TikTok at nemesismarie_06. Will I ever learn my TikTok handle? I don't know. And most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Bye.